Hello, I'm Inge Jung, the creator of the Allergy Kit, and I'm now going to show you how to use it. First, you have to put the batteries in the laser. Step number 2, you lick very lightly on the Q-tip, and then you put it in the belly button. The third step is that you take the stress vial and the vial you're going to treat, right now the number 1 vial. You put them together with the Q-tip in your belly button. Step number 4, you take the laser and shine it through the vials and the Q-tip for 30 seconds. Step number 5, you take the laser and shine it between the eyebrows without looking into the light, and you do it over the head on the midline, back and forth, seven times. Step number 6, you go back to the belly button and shine the laser through the vials for another 30 seconds. Step number 7, you repeat the same thing again. Put the laser between your eyebrows without looking into the light and shine over the midline on the head, down to the neck, 7 times. Step number 8, and the last step, is go back to the belly button and shine through the vials and on the Q-tip again for 30 seconds. To finish the treatment, you do the 4 gates with the vials in your belly button. You start on your left hand between the index finger and the thumb for 7 seconds. You go to between the big toe and the second toe for 7 seconds. You go to the right foot between the big toe and the second toe for 7 seconds. Then you do the right hand between the index finger and the thumb for 7 seconds, and finish on the left hand for 7 seconds to close the circuit.